Turning now to our forecast and our holiday next weather forecast. Meteorologist Evelyn Taft. Is Southern California the only warm spot in the country? It certainly seems like it.
It seems like it, right? And it pretty much is, with the exception of South Florida, more Miami, not Orlando, and Hawaii. That's it. Everybody else, pretty cold. In fact, freezing cold. In fact, below freezing. Take a look. Bismarck, below, 8 below. 8 below. We're not even used to saying 8 below. Took me a second to wrap my head around that. 15 degrees in Rapid City, Omaha 11, 19 as we head to St. Louis. And again, this is first thing in the morning. We're going to get warmer as the day goes on. We're expecting 70s and 80s. And across the country, we're not getting any warmer. We're still staying in the single digits. And you're going to see color-wise a lot of purple and a lot of blue blanketing the nation. That means freezing cold. The pinker the color, the colder the number. So you're seeing some of the coldest air settling in right here. Then a lot of blue. So we're in the 20s, the 30s. Now as we take it over to our little sliver here in California, green, which is mild, which means 60s. And we're even expecting 70s and 80s. In fact, we could see record-breaking temperatures this weekend, a big pattern change by next week. And as we check out our watches and warnings, we've got an air quality warning remaining through midnight. But the good news, after midnight, looks like the air quality should improve a little bit. We're looking at high pressure settling in, and that is bringing with it some very warm air that's sitting aloft. It's trapping that pollution. It's got nowhere to go. And that's why we've been looking at very poor air quality, but in the home stretch here. We're looking at 40s tomorrow morning, 50s. Also worth mentioning, king tides. We've got about a 7-foot high tide tomorrow, so we could get some flooding in low-lying areas as we head to the beach tomorrow morning. Tonight, we're in the 50s. It's cool. Tomorrow, we're in the 80s. It's warm, 79 for the basin, 80 on Sunday, and still warm on Monday before we start to see a cooler weather pattern Tuesday and Wednesday. For the valleys, we're also expecting that chance of rain Tuesday and Wednesday and staying cool through Thursday and Friday as we approach year 2023. For the IE, 70s and 80s expected, then 60s with showers Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday a little drier. And for the beaches, we're in the 70s, turning to the 60s by Tuesday and Wednesday, and staying that way through Thursday and Friday. For the high desert, same thing goes. And for the mountains, we could see snow, Jeff. So pretty unbelievable. We're going from record heat to rain and snow by next week. Back to you.
Get CBS News Los Angeles on the CBS News app. Download now.
Got your phone handy? Of course you do. Scan this right here. Download the CBS LA app. And just like that, you're connected to all the best local news and videos. Now, if only everything were this easy.